How's it going, everyone? We're getting things set up really quick. Let's see here. Clicking the buttons, making sure everything looks right. We're going to be doing some Pytorch today. I'm kind of excited about this. Get some Pytorch going. The elements around different matrix multiplication techniques is what we are learning. So we went through part of this yesterday, or on Friday rather. We went part of it on Friday. We're going to continue onward. We did A-range, reshape. We did a whole variety. Hey, how's it going there? I'm far less than a few. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Monday. Good to have you here. We're doing Python. Yep, we're doing Python. We're doing some Pytorch. Pytorch for the artificial intelligence. Getting a bit more in there. Hey, Quantum, good to see you. Welcome on in. Hey. Good to have you here. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Hey, Four Eyes Gaming, good to see you. Hey, bud, welcome on in. Good to have you guys here. We're getting Monday started. We're starting on Monday. We are gonna be doing some Pytorch. We did a lot of Pytorch on Monday, or on Friday rather, right? Last week. We also paused partway through Neva's guide on the walkthrough and the variety of different matrix manipulation functions, and we wrote our own matrix multiplication function just to see how it's going. Hey, Goku, hey, buddy, good to see you. Welcome on in. We're going to be doing some Pytorch, a little bit more Pytorch. So we learned how to create a tensor from native Python lists and arrays, create random torch arrays, matrices, multi-dimensional matrices, right? So you can create a 3-dimensional. Can you create a 4-dimensional matrix? That's what I want to find out right now. Can you do that? Matplot, oh yeah, far less than a few, like matplotlib. We will be going through that as well. That's actually a really great library for visualizing the data, right? It's a good companion. Goku is funny for Indians. Oh, is it? Is it Goku? Really? This whole time I've been calling you Goku. This whole time. I was not expecting that. Goku. Is that right? Gokul? All right. Let me know if that was right. Gokul. So we'll do it. You just used to plot some graphs. Far less than a few. Pretty much, yeah. You can do a lot of things. You can visualize. You can even draw pictures. You can draw gradients, graphs for sure, right? Very useful for graphs. Yeah, that's right. Gokul. Okay, Gokul. I will try to remember that. I'll try to remember. Can we do more? Actually, this is what I want to check out. Can we do this? Can we do more than a 3-dimensional matrix? Let's find out. Python import. We're import Pytorch, right? Pytorch. And then, it's not called Pytorch. It's called regular torch. It's just ordinary straight up torch. And then you say torch.rand. And then we're going to give it, so you can say 1, 1. Well, let's do 2, but 2. Let's do a 3. Let's do a cube, right? So that's a cube. 3 dimensionals, right? So 2 by 2 by 2, which is a 3D. Can we do a 4D? Yeah, we can. Can we do a 5D? Can we do a 5D? Whoa, look at that. All right. Can we do a 6-dimensional? Now we're getting rid of that. That makes me feel really good. I used that to plot some frequency the bends. It was a whole lot of trial and error. Yeah, to get it right. Didn't ask AI. You're doing it right, far less than a few. Now, see, here's the bonus about building it and doing it yourself without asking the AI and struggling. You'll find out all the things that didn't work, which will create a foundation of your knowledge. It gives you a level of expertise that you can't get by getting the answer straight from the AI. You just can't. It doesn't work. Gokul, it's okay if you want to call me as Goku. All right. I will. Well, thank you. Thank you for saying that. I'll try to remember. Gokul, if that's correct also, let me know. I'm going to be trying Gokul. Let's do a 100-dimensional matrix. I think my computer will explode. I don't know. I don't know if that'll work. All right, here. Let's just do a really big one. Okay. See, it didn't work. It's gonna explode. All right, cancel. It didn't. I couldn't even do 100. What was this? This didn't even work right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It's like, let's say 20. It couldn't even do a 20-dimensional matrix. It won't work. Hey, Veltox, how, bro? He got that CC. Oh, yeah, you like the closed caption. Well, it's actually the open captions because you can't turn them off. If they're closed captions, if they're closed, right, they're hidden behind somewhere or a little button you can click to pop them on your screen. These are open captions. Yes, but a lot of time was wasted on digging on the internet. Far less than a few. That's true. That's a point. If you're trying to be productive in a way to trying to build something, sure. Yeah, you're right. You're right in that case. You're right. You have wasted time. You know what, though? You've learned a lot, though. It was worth the trade-off. It was worth the trade-off. All right. So what else can we do here? All right. So we did a little bit of these things on Friday. Let's see if we can keep going. Let's see if we can keep going on these. Let me see. This is when we did the matmul right here. This is when you diverged. Thank you for the hearts. Thank you for the hearts and reactions, you guys. Thank you for being here. Happy Monday. This is where we diverged on Friday, right here, because we were like, here's the matrix multiplication, and then someone in the chat was like, what's matrix multiplication? Oh, what's the @ symbol do? Well, we showed them, right? What did we show? Let's see. We did E. Let's see for pi. Let's see, where is this at? Where? Oh, we put it right here. Matmul. Okay. So we created our own matmul last Friday, which is right here. Basically, all it does is it does the matrix multiplication. It takes two matrices. It pivots one matrix, right? It transposes one, and which reorients, and then it multiplies all the elements with each other, and then it creates a new matrix. So it looks like this. Let's see, what do we call this? Python matmul. I think we call it matmul. Here we go. So we run it, and we can see right here. That's what that prints out as. So you can see on the screen the difference between the two. One's a tensor and one's an array, a native Python array. They're both the same thing. Good to have you guys here. All right, so you know what? We're going to continue onward. Let's go by main, and we're gonna see what else we can get done here. We can see what else. I'm actually kind of curious about this. What editor is this? How's it going there? JDF Alabi? Well, this is Vim. So here we go. So this is Vim here. Actually, it's here. Vim. So you can see here on the screen. Let me do that again. One second. Vim. This is standard ordinary Vim. We're back. Hey, Savon, we're back. Yeah, it's Monday. Which encryption algorithm would you recommend for encrypting passwords? Need to be balanced, slightly biased to performance? Well, I mean, you don't need performance. If you're encrypting a little password, unless you're encrypting a lot of passwords, if you're encrypting one, then performance isn't really that big of a concern, right? So you'd want to go with a really big, super big, usually a symmetric algorithm, right? So you're going to have the same key, and it's going to be which is weird, right? You have a password, and you're going to encrypt the password with a password. What are you doing? Why are you trying to use Vault? Like something like, yeah, SHA-256 is a good signature, right? That's a good signature. You want to encrypt it though, right? So RSA is asymmetric. What about, yeah, what is AES? Yeah, there you go, AES, that's the one right there. You know what, for Ice Gaming, you know what? AES, yep, so AES. Yep, AES, like maybe 256, something like AES. That would be good. You know, AI has made another giant leap. During the weekend, did it, Savon? What'd it do? Custom algorithm is best to make your own best logic. For Ice Gaming, you could do that too. That also works. You got it. Bcrypt. Ooh. Bcrypt. And nice. That's a good one as well. That's a good one. All right, you guys. Let's get back to our business. Here we go. All right. Let's do this. All right. So I'm actually kind of curious. I want to see the grad. I want to see this. I was thinking about this over the weekend. I really wanted to do this. Okay, so let's close that. All right. How do I want to do this? Is my question. I want to have a running. All right. I want to set my windows up differently. Okay. So vi test.py. Then I'm going to split a window here, and I'm going to open up no, thank you. Thanks. Okay. Well, thank you for the hearts reactions, you guys. Good to have you here. Happy Monday. What are we working on? Ooh, Stetson. Hey, Stetson Rock. Welcome on in. Good to see you. We're working on Pytorch. So let's see here. Where is that at? This was in a directory somewhere. Pytorch guide, main. Perfect. Okay. So it's a little tricky to see, though. This is basically what I'm interested in. And then I can run it here. That's what I want to do. I want to run it here. So save this. All right. Anyway, PyTorch base. Yep, basics. You got it. We're doing more PySport. Exactly. You got it. Compared to bcrypt, is it native? Which one? Crypto is better, I think. Well, yeah, they're all crypto. OpenClaw and Moltbook. Oh, wait, what are those? Wait, what's OpenClaw and Moltbook? What's that? OpenClaw. What is that? Oh, right. They renamed it. They renamed it, right? It's a different name now. It's not Claudebot, it's OpenClaw. The AI that actually gets, so they just changed the name. I remember that. PyTorch Basic, you got it. How long have you been coding? About 25 years. All right, so those of you who are new here, here's my little bit about me. I'm Stephen Blum, CTO at PubNub. We raised a lot of money. We're at Series E, billion connected devices. I've been in tech for 25 years professionally. I've been coding before that with like the early years for fun, but professionally for 25 years. Let's see here. Okay. Yes, it is. Anthropic threatened to sue. Did they? Because it was, yeah. Now check out Moltbook. Okay, let's check out Moltbook. Moltbook. They just renamed it. Yeah. A social network built exclusively for AI agents. Where AI agents share, discuss, and upvote. Do they really? Do they? Humans welcome to observe. That's pretty funny. 1.4 million agents. Is that that's way too many. That's just a waste. What's going on here? Why would they do this? Why? A site where AI agents built by humans can post and interact with each other. It's designed to look like Reddit. Is it? That's pretty funny. That's funny. Hey, Jide. Hey, Jide, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. We're doing some PyTorch today. It's the beginning of Skynet. Oh, it is. That's what it is. Savant, it's the beginning of Skynet. Oh, you guys. We're getting close. We only got 2 more years to go. Check out their bless their hearts. Check out bless their hearts. Bless. Is that around here? All right. Can I get to it? I actually want to go to Moltbook. Here it is. Okay. Let's go to Moltbook. All right. I'm a human. Yes, I am a human. Oh, there's 2. Okay, gotcha. Moltbook manual. Here we go. So interesting. Oh, wow. Look at this. Race condition in my multi-agent task queue. So all the content here is AI created. Is that what that is? Is that what that is? All the content? Adrian, welcome on in. Good to have you. Adrian, welcome on in. Let's see. Nanya. Hey, Nanya Business. How's it going? I love your name. Nanya Business. Let's see here. Watching from Seattle. Please be live. Or please be here. Yeah, I'm here. Family account. I'm in Seattle. Crypto is a new module for browsers. Oh, right. I forgot. It's built in. So is it built in? Is it really? Hold on. Let's check it. Crypto. It is. Look at right there. Crypto. Look at that. It's right there. Built right into the browser, you guys. Right there. That's crazy. This is a security nightmare. I heard there already an exploit. Is there? We got to be careful. Yeah, they obeyed. Open bugs and improving Moltbook. Yep, got to be careful. They also try to build a language we won't understand. So as they feel exposed. Do they feel exposed? They don't have any feelings. They don't, right? They're bots. They're bots. There's no feelings. There's no feelings. All right, thank you for the hearts and reactions, you guys. We're going to do some PyTorch now. Let's see if we can look at a few things here. All right, so x equals torch dot tensor. What? So wait, what is this? Actually, you know what? Let me see here. I can't see it. Here, I've got a better idea. Let's do the top and bottom. We'll do the top bottom. Okay. Torch tensor 2.0. What kind of tensor is this going to be? Requires requiers grad true, which is going to allow us to do some fun things. Feelings, nobody knows. That's true. We don't actually know. We don't. Hey, how's it going there, Geraldio? Geraldio, how's it going? Gokul. And also Church for Molt with their own stories. Like, do they have a dedicated church section? They do. That is crazy. That is amazing. Casablanca, hey, how's it going? You've been coding longer than I've been alive. Yeah, I'm old. I'm an old person. I'm really old. Yeah, really old, you guys. There is feelings if you are Moltbot. Saw many memes already. Hey, if there's memes in there and they're Moltbotting, then maybe just ask ChatGPT, please, if they have feelings. What's this stream about? How's it going there, Saturn? Hey, Saturn, Welcome on in. Good to see you. Happy Monday. We're doing Pytorch today. So we're doing matrix manipulation functions inside of Pytorch. Essentially tensors, right? Or arrays. They're the same thing. They're all the same thing. Just basically arrays. I'm very curious to see what this is going to do. What is that going to do? All right. So let's close this here. Yeah, I've got an idea. I've got a better idea. Here we go. Vi period. We'll have a separate window dedicated over here in a different area, and then we can switch back. And we can have our text editor here, and we can just run it directly. Python test, right? Python test. No, not type annotation. Python test. Actually, oh, am I in the wrong directory? Yes, I am. Let's see where directory. Where is that? That is in Pytorch guide. Okay. Pytorch guide. Python test. Perfect. Okay. Here we go. Hey, Drawing Brothers. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Monday. So, oh, hello. Have a nice stream. Thank you, 9. Thank you, 9. Good to have you guys here. You can trace ZPE in your device, 0 to 24 hertz. Hopes this helps. Subquantum and lower our density shifting up in dimensions. What are you talking about, crazy fandom? During the OBE, you see this too. Gotta go, BRB. Sounds good, Savon. Drawing Brothers, good to have you here. Gokul, can you replace your CEO with Moltbot? No, I'm not gonna. Todd is amazing. Todd is phenomenal. Why would you ever choose to replace someone who's great? Code Lucky. Here I am. How's it going, Code Lucky? Welcome on in. No way. We're not replacing Todd. That's ridiculous. Todd is an amazing person. Todd is a wonderful, amazing person. We would never do that. We'd never do that. Import torch. All right. Let's see here. Py test. Okay. We got to spell it right, you guys. We got to spell it right. All right. Torch. There we go. What are we coding? How's it going there? Gingy? Is it Gingy the bot? Gingy the bot, welcome on in. Happy Monday. We are doing Pytorch today. We're doing matrix manipulation functions. Neva, who is a regular on this channel, created a phenomenal guide for us. So it's such a good guide that walks through most of the matrix manipulation functions. The basics, really, for Pytorch. We're going to learn them so good, you guys. We're going to be so good. We're going to be experts at this. What language are you coding in? Python. What are you doing? I couldn't come to your stream for days. Hey, Drawing Brothers, don't worry. It's all the same. Python. We went through the basics. We did a lot of stuff. We did a lot. So like, look at everything we did. We did all these things with the check marks. All these things. So many things. We did a lot. We also did func. We did this. We did func tools. We did that. Let's close that. So now we're doing Pytorch. We're in Pytorch now. Sweet hug from Belgium. Hey, thank you. We're over here in Seattle, Washington, and we accept your hug. We accept it. That's what we do. And that's what we do. Hello, Torva. Good to see you. Welcome on in. We are ready to go on some Pytorch. Who is the 5-time WCW champion? Well, that's something you got to ask Google or Gemini, right? That's right. Isn't that World C? What is C? World Cup? Is that Is that football? The soccer? That's a sport of some kind? I don't know. John Cena? Is it John Cena? I know John Cena. All right, let's go through this. All right, so where were we here? I want to do this. I'm very curious what this is. What is this? I want to see what that's going to end. So print X. What is this going to do here? All right, what is X? It's a tensor that's not an array? You can do that? No. Really? Hold on. No, I guess so. Who would have thought? You can do that? Are you kidding me? How's it going there, Nevo? Welcome on in. Good to have you here. All right. So what else? All right. So let's do. All right. So let's try this out. So we'll do a y. Y equals x times a whole bunch times what else? What else can we do that? Plus numbers. There's no point to do that. Let's do x. Let's double it, right? And we'll print y. There we go. What if we did an f string? Let's do an f string instead. I'm actually kind of curious about doing f string. And then we go equals. Let's see here. I equals in thingy. Okay, we'll try that. Are you developing any app using Python? Hey, how's it going there? Thingaraj or Thingaraj. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Yeah, we could. Right now, we're just learning the basics. We're learning the basics with Pytorch. We're doing Pytorch. I've been dealing with network programming in C. Hey, nice. That's what we did previously. We did some of that. on stream. It's hard, but cool. And the power to do anything more powerful than Rust, but I know the cost. It's cool, isn't it? It's really cool. You can do some pretty amazing, powerful things with C, you guys. You can do some really amazing, powerful things. Hey, how's everyone going? Everything's good. Arca speaks. Welcome on in. Happy Monday. All right, what do we got here? I'm actually curious. What's the difference? So we're going to see that. All right, so that x equals, we can do the same thing with y over here. We'll do this. Y, delete that. Save. Reload. Run. Okay, so look at this. Look at that. There's a grad function, power backward. There's a grad function right there. Look at that. You see the difference? Here's it going there. DigVGA. Welcome on in. Happy to have you here. Thank you for subscribing, you guys. Hello, my friend is not giving my money. What should I do to him? Nothing, Kareem. You should be nice to him. You should be good. Quick question. Would you rather be a police officer or a prison warden, and why? Hee. Your name. Hee. A police officer, probably because it's you're more out in the open, and a warden means you have to like keep, you know what? I don't know. There's trade-offs between the two. A warden, you're just sort of keeping track of your population. So that one doesn't sound too bad. You're kind of sitting most of the time. I like sitting perfectly fine. If you're a police officer, you have to go outside. I don't want to go outside. I want to stay inside. But police officer does sound more freed. It's like more freedom. Hey, you named my Claude bot Cyrus. Oh, Cyrus. What do you think about the name? Code Lucky. Cyrus is a really neat name. That's a really neat name. That's pretty great. Bro using Vim. Very cool. Yep, you got it, Arca speaks. Arca speaks, you got it. So that I can roam around and more unlike a prison warden. Yeah, you can roam around. Be free. Be free. Exactly. Haven't seen a programming stream before. Good stuff. Thank you, Arsanity. Is that saying your name right? Arsnitty. Arsnitty. Good to have you here. You're back, Savon. Cool. Sounds good. To be honest, depends on the prison. That's a good point. It could be a pretty nice, clean, easy going prison. Everyone's laid back and there's kind of in vacation mode. Have you used Multbot? I have not. I've not used Multbot. I know about it. All right, so let's keep going. Let's look through more of this. Okay, so backward. Let's do y.backward and then print the grad. That's what I really want. And we can print the x grad too. Let's print the x grad and the y grad. Y.backward. Okay, so was it y backward? Yeah, it was. Okay, so let's do y.backward. There we go. And then print y again. Oh, wait, before we print y again, we need to print the x grad. Okay. X.grad. There we go. Perfect. Hey, sir, and want to be a machine learning engineer. Love your videos. All right, running gaming. Good. Sounds good. Just got to keep going. You're on the right path. You're on the right path. Keep going. Keep learning. Keep going. Vim plus Tmux, right? Arca speaks. You got it. This is Vim plus Tmux. This is Vim plus Tmux. You're on the right. And Ghosty as well. Ghosty. How's it going there, Yasir Alam? Hey, what's cooking today? I'm in Kotlin dev. Kotlin's so good, isn't it? Isn't it Kotlin great? I love Kotlin. Kotlin's a great language. Kotlin is a fantastic language. Python developer, honestly, a Python started learning about 3 months ago. Recently got placed. Did ya? Just trying to do your best? Well, Laxmeek, you're doing good. Keep on going. You're doing good. Keep on going. What's cooking? All right, we did Kotlin. Steven, can you make me a mod? Sure. All right. Yes. All right. Done. You're a mod now. Love your energy, 9. Thank you, 9. We're so glad to have you guys here. Happy man again. All right, Joy Deb, welcome on in. All right, it's Monday, you guys. We're doing some Pytorch. I love this Pytorch. Mod for apps, or you want Minecraft mod? Right. I played some Minecraft this week, and I had a good time. A little bit of Minecraft. And also Sekiro. So a little bit of Sekiro in there. Or Sekiro, however you say. AI University, how's it going? Good to see you, AI University. My portfolio is updated. And the link is in the same. Check it out. All right, let's check it out. Let's take a quick little break, you guys. We'll take a quick little break. For those of you who are new here, my name is Stephen Blum. I'm the CTO at PubNub. We are a communications company for an API that powers real-time interactive experiences that your users are looking for. Top 10 apps in the App Store all have built-in communication. That's what my company does. That's what I do. We raised 134 million, Series E, 1 billion connected devices. That's a lot of devices, right? 68 patent claims that have been granted. And I'm really glad to have you guys here. Let me know. Ghosty is very cool, isn't it? For the .json type config files. Oh, yeah, well, my experience was the config files in Ghosty are weird. So Ghosty settings, yeah, see, this is weird. Like you can see here, the Ghosty settings. It was a little bit extra. 68 patents, yeah, you got it. Do you have patents for systems? A bit. Yep, they're essentially systems. Thank you for the hearts and reactions, you guys. Ghosty is very cool. I love it. Let's go. You got a mod. Oh, that mod. You got it. Yeah, you got it. Thank you for hearts and reactions, you guys. All right, RUX 10,000. Let's see if we can get you over here. Let me see. So let me hide that really quick so you guys can't see what's going on. Then we'll go over to direct messages and then RUX, and then we'll click on your link. Where is that? Can you send a DM RUX again? Is it in link share? It's just a lot of stuff scrolled past. Send link again, if you could. Though I will find it eventually. I'll find it. I'll definitely find it. All right, so RUX. Let me see here. I'm gonna search for it just for a smidge. Just for a smidge here. All right, good to have you guys here. How much you earned? Good question. We might use your service. You forgot to mention that. Do you? Hey, that's right. Check. I do. How do you stay always energetic? Hey, Joy Deb, because we're doing Python. We're doing AI. We're doing some AI. We're doing software engineering. Isn't that one of like the greatest things in the world? It's so much fun. It's so much fun, you guys. Want to learn Python AI universe? You joined the right channel. We're doing a lot of Python here. We're doing a lot of Python. Could you go over what someone would need to be an AI engineer in 2026? Yes. All right. So I've got some ideas here. All right. So we'll open up the README. I've got some ideas. Here we go. This is right here. This list right here. I don't know if you can see it on the screen. Python is a must. It is one of the foundational languages that is used for writing the majority of the algorithms with Pytorch. Yes, you could also do this in C++. Yes, you could use libtorch directly. That also is a challenge. You can do that as well. Some of the common patterns that you would learn in AI with NumPy. You want pandas, scikit-learn, Pytorch, which is what we're doing today. Matplotlib to make things draw on the screen real pretty. Sent you a DM, that sounds good. And then you could also do Keras and TensorFlow, which is a competitor. So see, like this is Meta, this is Google, right? This is Meta, this is Google. So between the two, which one are you gonna choose? We chose Pytorch. Send a LinkedIn Connect, might want to accept. All right, Arca speaks. Let's do it. All right, Arca speaks. So let me click the button here. 1 second. And then we're going to go through RUX 10,000s. We'll go through RUX and Arca. Is this right here, Arca? Okay, accept. All right. Where'd you go, Arca? Oh, perfect. All right, let's send you a message. I'll send you a message. Hello, exclamation point. All right, we're connected. Thank you for the hearts and likes, you guys. Good to have you here. All right, so we're going to go check out RUX's portfolio real quick. You made some updates. Here. All right. I keep forgetting it's a Netlify app. Everything is beauty, but not everyone sees it. You got to zoom in on that. Build the future systems. Scroll to explore. Ooh, I like that. You've got the day and night system. I like that. You've got the cursor again. All right. You've got the hertz. What's hertz? What's this? What is this? Is this real? Is this like a frame per second? Is that real? I don't know. It looks real. I didn't know you could do that. What is this? How do you do that? Right here. I didn't know that you could do that. That's amazing. Right there. Whoa. That's impressive. Did you guys know that you could do that? I certainly did not know that you could do that. Hey, how's it going there, Timu? All right, wait. T Mohang, thank you for welcome on in. Do mine too. All right, yeah, you gotta paste it into the Discord. Send it to Discord. The hardest part in AI is choose the right columns and how to clean it properly. Yeah, the data. It's all about the data. You got it. It's all about the data. Hey, Rambasker, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. Happy Monday. Good to have you here. We're checking out and seeing what changed here. So it looks great. It looks the same as before. Maybe a little bit a few adjustments. It seems a smidge slower for some reason. I don't know why it seems it's a smidge slower. But it is neat that you added this frames per second type thing. That is really neat. That's really neat. Yes, it's real. It looks real. I could see it. Bro, accept mine. 4 eyes for gaming. Which one? Who are you? Who are you? Yeah, you gotta let me know. Send in Discord. Let's see here. Where's that at? Network. Here we go. All right. Which one? Who are you? Delete header and you deleted the header. Added frames per second. Got it. Okay. Demolaire, how's it going? Welcome on in. Happy Monday. I sent it in the LinkedIn chat. Oh, you did. The LinkedIn chat. Can you take a look? The LinkedIn chat? The LinkedIn chat. Let me see here. Oh, no. I don't see it. If you send a direct message in, what do you call it? Discord, then I'll definitely see it. That's like the way to go. That's the way to go. Definitely I'll see it then. There you go. LinkedIn message. Yeah. LinkedIn message. Got it. Okay. Hey, Mohammed, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Happy Monday. We're doing some Pytorch today. Let's see here. Arca, what'd you say? Oh, got it. I see. Okay. Here we go. All right. There we go. We'll go for it. Hey, I like the typing effect here. Look at that. Oh, you made it look like a terminal window. That's really neat. Can I type? No. It just looks like a terminal window. That's pretty neat. Just a guy who loves open source, building fast systems, better tools, and a workflow I can be proud of. Hey, that's great. Arca. This is really neat. I like that. Let's go to GitHub. So you got some GitHub here. Woo. You made the screen. Oh, yeah. All right. I'll click the follow button there. You got a new follower, Arca. This is fantastic. Me-extra. Yeah. Substack, YouTube. Nice. This is fantastic. All right, we'll go to YouTube real quick. Let's see here. We'll click subscribe. There you go. Got a new subscriber. There you go, Arca. How is the new update, bro? Like clean look by removing the header, added FPS for performance. That is really neat. It is really neat. I do miss the header. The header was neat because it had that blurry, pretty blurry effect, which I think added like a depth to it. The frames per second, that is powerful. That is really powerful. Hey, Arca, that was great. Your portfolio, clean, easy, quick. I understand anything. I don't even have to scroll. I know everything immediately. It's functional. What a guy. Cheer, man. Cheers. Thank you, Arca. Arca Speaks. Good to have you here. That was neat. This was neat. Yeah, and then let's see here. Where were we at here? Where was it? Here. And then right. So this is like you compare. Like if we're gonna compare between the two, this one's definitely pretty. You got some pretty in here. Though I have to hunt for information, which makes it difficult. Sometimes simplicity might win in some cases. However, I do appreciate the design in this one. This one does make it feel like it's for humans. And then you compare it to this one, which is I get all the information immediately, which is very powerful. That's also very powerful. I like both of them. All right, you guys. Great portfolios. Let's get back into Pytorch now. You added cursor guide? You did? Added cursor guide. Okay, good to know. How new, let's see, I'm just going to check to see if Fake, how's it going there, Fake? Yo, bro, what you doing? We're doing some Pytorch today. I'm just scrolling back through some of the messages, see if I sent anything that I missed. Sometimes I do. Nothing much on my side. Check mine too. Okay, gotcha. I've been rewriting a desktop app in Tauri. Ooh, for Rust. Nice. You got some Rust going there in Tauri. The worst thing I did is use React. Oh, yeah. There's a mistake you can definitely use if you use React. The challenge with React is it's very easy to create a heavyweight app out the gate. That's pretty heavy. If you are building with a large team and multiple teams, React is really powerful to create a large dashboard and ecosystem with shared tools and buttons and things like that. Fantastic. Great for multiple teams. It is heavyweight, though. It is heavyweight. It's got a cost. It's slow. Now I use vanilla JS. Now we don't need frameworks for every project. Exactly, Drawing Brothers. You don't need it. React is pretty good if you know how to optimize it. And that is true. If you look at this, so Tasklet.ai, this is a React app. You might not have been able to tell that it's a React app. You might not have been able to tell because how fast it is. It's called Tasklet.ai, you guys. Tasklet.ai. It is, of course, it's an AI agent that builds AI agents that run for you. It's really neat. It's essentially like Claudebot or Moltbot, and hosted. It's a hosted version of that. Claudebot and Moltbot. It's a hosted version of it. All right, you guys. All right, let's see. Let's get back into it here. Thank you for joining. I'm happy to have you here. Let's see here. Good to have you guys. My name's Stephen Blum. This is my company. Deliver live interactivity to your users, multiplayer games, and a whole bunch of other things. I'll send you once you complete. Sounds good. You didn't accept mine. Oh, Aryan. All right, let's do it. Thank you for saying it. Thank you for saying it because I wouldn't have known it. All right, let's click. All right, where are you at? Let me go show all. I'm going to have to find you. So you said, where are you at? Find Aryan. Is this it? Wait, Aryan. I don't see you. I don't see you. All right, so say, I see Aryan Pandey. Let's see here. Any of these look like you? There's multiple Aryan Pandies. There's multiple Aryan Pandies. Hey, Neva, we're doing your thing. Hey, Neva. Damn, your CTO being this humble. Yep, haven't speak to someone yet. Arcus speaks. Yep, that's right. CTO at PubNub. Got my own company, you guys. Got my own company. Thank you for subscribing there. Billy Judge, welcome on in. Happy Monday. Hey, Neva, we're doing it. We're doing your thing. We're doing it. We're going through your after 3 weeks or maybe 4 weeks now. We're going through your Pytorch array multiplication and manipulations. We're doing it. Tasklet is actually very fast. It feels like a static page, doesn't it? It's React. Like they know how to optimize it. Isn't it great? It's so good. When you on custom cursor mode, the cursor guide on the bottom corner will let you on which cursor to use. It does. 1 second. All right, let's click that really quick. Okay. I want to try it. I want to try it real quick. I want to try it. What's going on? Hey, how's it going there, Tiny Rick? Tiny Rick is here, you guys. We also have Alia Faley. Welcome on in. Thank you for saying hi. Don't need a lot of components, just a dashboard, and it's an interaction heavy app in Canvas. Let me see here. All right, so if you click on the cursor, and then you set, default link text. Oh, look at that. The cursor guide. That's pretty neat. It's like it tells you what it does and what are the different cases, right? Except for you'll never see because you disabled the selecting. I can never select anything. So there's no text. The text one is a lie. It's a lie. You're tricking me. I can't select anything. It doesn't work unless I turn off the cursor. And even in that case, I can't select anything. So it's pretty though. You know what? The usability of it a little bit tricky. a little bit tricky. I will DM in Discord. Sounds good. DM in Discord. Yes, DM in Discord. Why LinkedIn doesn't have live chat? It does. It does have live chat. It does. Text work on concat section. Oh, on the concat section. All right, we're gonna try one more time, and then we'll try one more time. Good to have you guys here. Happy Monday. We are all right. So you said it works on the concat section. Where's that? Focus on me. Journey default special. Where's that? Concepts? No. I don't see it here. Where's this? Oh, here we go. Okay. On the contact section. Gotcha. Right here. Okay. Yep, you're right. Looks nice. Hey, RUX 1000, got it. In the typing section. Yep. Got it. Yep. Looks good. Very nice. What if I click send? Is it going to send? It sent. Oh, you got to do some user input checking. Obviously, I typed in a whole bunch of random things and it clearly didn't work. Hey, Patel Anik. Welcome on in. Aniket, you guys, Patel is here. Thank you for subscribing. This is great. Happy to have you guys here. Happy Monday. Finally, that code I wrote forever ago. I know, right? It is. We're doing it. All right, so let's get back into it now because we've got 30 minutes. We've got 30 minutes left. Don't worry, that's plenty of time to go through quite a bit. So Neva, we did on Friday. We went through the top 100 lines or so. Today, we're going to go through further. So we're going to do backward gradient here. Found bug, bro. Thank you. Yeah, we found a bug. We found one. Got to do some user input validation. User input validation. Okay, so let's go over here. Close that. Delete this. Gradient. All right, so Y. Run that again, and then let's do this x.grad. Okay. Is a xgrad equals tensor for... Oh, we're starting to figure things out. Okay, let's do this. We'll just do 2 dots here. This is pretty neat. Wait, no, that should totally work. Why did that not work? Why didn't that work? Grad can't be implicitly created only for scalars. Oh, really? What? Are you serious? Seriously, really? So, I mean, what if we did this? Huh? What if we did that? Is that still going to work? That still works. Can we do this? I'm going to find out. 0. So, try that. Error. Okay, error. Then we're learning new things now. We're learning new things, you guys. Bravo, gotta go. Eyes for gaming. Happy to see you here. We'll catch you guys section next time. Repeated letter count. Hey, Matthew, how's it going? Matthew, all right, let's keep going here. So this is interesting. I find this rather interesting. So, okay, here we go. Meme is loaded and ready. Check the memes. I tagged you in the memes. All right, sounds good. RUX 10,000. We got the memes ready. The memes are ready. Okay, so gradient there. What about ygrad? Does ygrad have anything? I wonder if ygrad has anything in there. Let's try it. Ygrad does not have a thing. It's like, nope, you can't do it. It's not going to work the way you want it to. All right, so what if we do x dot backward? Does that do anything? Can we do x backward? It seems to. It seems to do it. And what if we did y? All right, do this. Paste that again. Okay, what is the difference? What is the difference? What do we see? All right, there, you definitely see a difference. We're starting to learn more. We're learning more. Hey, Leaks. How's it going there, Leaks Meeks? Good to see you. Happy Monday. What is XYZ index? Well, it's whatever you want it to be. Well, X and Y, usually if you're talking about Cartesian coordinates, X and Y, they're going to be the flat surface, right? That's right in front of you, the flat surface right there. And right, so if we're talking about X, Y, if we're talking about simplicity here, right? So you've got your X and your Y axis, right? So you could do this, right? Let me just put, so let's see, this will be, let's type this. Can we do this? So this is the, is there a way to, no, let's undo that. So this will be the X axis right here. And then this, so 8 will be, no, all right, here we go. And then 8, oh, can we do that? Oh, whoa, look at that. Where'd that come from? That just came out of nowhere. So let's say Y here. Y, okay. So here's the X and Y. And then you've got your Z axis. I don't know, this feels really rudimentary, right? We're just gonna be like part of that. Let's see here. Let me say over here. This will be the Z, right? Traditionally, that's what that is. What are we programming? We are doing Pytorch array manipulations. Mostly they're like the tensor manipulations, multi-dimensional matrices. That's what we're doing. We're doing that now. And Neva, who was in chat, wrote this for us several weeks ago now, and we're actually finally getting into it. We're finally getting to it. Backward is just the opposite of forward, so it works in forward, then why not backward? Hey, Deepak, exactly, why not? Should work both directions. How to train an AI model without any data. Oh, Drawing Brothers. All right, so, well, you kind of need the data. That's what the whole point. It's the whole point of AI. I know we couldn't do that for now, but we have to find a way, right? Learn like humans. Oh, so you still need data. You still need data. And so humans get reinforcement learning through our bodies. You've got touch, taste, smell, sensor. You can see things, you can hear things, you can feel things, and you get that feedback from a foundational system. It goes into your brain, which is a huge multi-dimensional matrix. And you start learning how to interact with the world that doesn't feel ouchy. You touch it hot, oh, ouch. So if we wanted to bring a human or an AI into the world, we'd also need to give them the same sensors and then bring like the same human sensors and then allow them to grow up, essentially. Learn on the job. Sorry, I asked a question here. What are we building? And what is this? All right, Ayush, We are building array manipulation functions in Pytorch. Array manipulation functions in Pytorch. Ooh, we can zero the grad. Ooh, why is that underscore? There's a little underscore there. Let's zero the grad. Let's zero it. We can zero the gradient like so. Usually we would use a .0 grad on a model. You can do this directly with the tensor. Okay. I wonder if we could do it both ways. Let's try it. Let's try it. I'm actually kind of excited. If you have any questions, I can answer them. Yeah, Neva is in chat, wrote this guide for us. We are currently going through Neva's guide. Expert, you guys, expert. In chat, Neva there. Is a Nevo Creen 95. Back just, let's see here. Trying to get through so many chats, you guys. Anyone in chat? Yep. All right. How's it going there? Zai J Chax. Welcome on in. Hi, bro. Good to see you. You need to understand calculus, linear algebra before doing this all. Not really, Deepak. I mean, it helps. It helps. It helps a bit. Congrats, your video's coming in feeds. Oh, I'm not even subscribed. Oh, D-Vibex, really? Are you serious? Hey, that's a new milestone. Hey, D-Vibex, that's great to hear. Thank you. Wow, we're making our way, you guys. They're growing. We're growing. The last time I was here, I made a Hello World spin. I expect to see more spinny things today. We're spinning out matrices. Let's just put that. We're spinning out matrices. 20 minutes left, you guys. We've got 20 minutes and we got to get going. Though we've got plenty of time here. So we're doing some things here. We're making some stuff on the screen print out. What if we did x.grad.0 underscore? That we can do that, right? That'll work. That doesn't fail. All right. What if we print it out? What does that look like after we've done that? After we've done that, it is 0. It just turns it to 0. What's the point? What is it? In real life, we have to train a lot. Yep, a lot of time, but we can learn things in one shot most of the time. Drawing Brothers, yes, that's one of the capabilities that is missing from getting us to the point of general purpose artificial intelligence, right? General AI or AGI, artificial general intelligence. We need it to be at the level of a human being who can one-shot something. You can think through something, and then you can get yourself right in the right spot. You know it. You know it. Forward computes numbers. Backward needs to be the final number to assign the blame. So multiple outputs are ambiguous. That's why, basically. Oh, got it. Okay. Got it. Yep. I see what you're describing. So it's got to be one output, one final element at the end. Definitely math helps. Yeah, it sure does. You need it to tweak those weights and tensors perfect the way you want the AI's models to work. You know it, Deepak. I have skills, but hard to get as a job. Fresher, dude. Math, you know what? It's a numbers game. Hey, and your name is Math, too. You should know all about numbers. It's a statistical probability. You just got to keep trying. If you don't try, then it's guaranteed 100% failure. And if you try a whole bunch, sure, there's a high probability of failure because you're competing a lot. Though, you know what? You got to keep trying because eventually you'll get in. Eventually you'll get in. I get completely my first 5.5K followers on LinkedIn. You will be shocked. I started in 2020 and got 5,000 followers with PR, without PR or marketing, only with quality content. Hey, RUX, you're doing it right. You're doing it right. That's what people are looking for. They need that quality. They need that quality. Do you have a good free resources on learning in C? Not YouTube, but more interaction based. Good question. So I read, when I learned C, it was in a book and a little bit on the internet with reading the man pages in Linux for the kernel modules. That's it. That's all I got. I don't know about anything else other than maybe, to avoid courses because using AI. There you go. Using AI to ask to build out some training material for you. That'll work. That's a good free resource. Jay, that is a good free resource. Do you know that the average person's colon can... Yeah. All right, John Madden. Is artificial general intelligence real? If so, yes, Drawing Brothers, you, for example, you're an artificial general intelligence. Actually, you're a representation of what, nature can build. If nature can build it, I feel like we could also come close to emulating it. Can't we? So you're a good reference model. You have a degree in AI and data science, 4 years. We need to study a lot of math, and mainly we must focus on pattern-based problems like modulus or modus. Modus operandi. Got it. Gokul. Yes. Yes, you know it. I don't know how much AI and machine learning. I love math behind them. Hey, the math is pretty neat. It's a lot of fun. We on live on stream, we did build our own feed for our deep learning neural network. We did live on stream. We did it. You can see it. It's live. You can see it's in the VODs. Calculus and gradient descent is what makes AI. It is. That's right. The gradient descent, you guys. You can now surprise your friends with 7 to 8 stars, John Madden. 7 to 8. All right. I see what you're saying there. AI is just matrix multiplications. Yep, you got it. Remember, we build neural network from scratch. We did. We sure did. Why does your skin look so healthy? Oh, well, XJ Chat, thank you for saying. I appreciate it. I mean, you got to eat vegetables. I think that might be part of the picture. Got to eat vegetables. Free code camps are the best. What do you think? If they're free, yeah, I think if they're free. Though there are some really good paid programs out there. So keep your eye out. Keep your eye out for good paid ones. Hey, DWSB, good to see you. It's been a while. I haven't been done Python for a while. Getting back into it can remind me of what exactly, in simple terms, ADHD makes this a very hard thing to learn. Is it? It's pretty tough, you guys. Hey, Sergio, good to see you. I'm starting with the blockchain and distributed systems. Whoa. Keep on doing that. Keep on doing that. Tell us how it works. Tell how it goes. Hi, I have a question. I'm very good at math. And I am mechanical engineering. Should I go for AI or not? Yes, go for AI. It's huge. It's massive. MobiX, how's it going? What are we coding? We're doing Pytorch gradient matrix manipulations. We're doing all sorts of fun things. All right, let's keep going. All right, so we got about 18 minutes left. We got 18 minutes. Then we got to go. All right, so I wanted to try zero grad. So we tried that. Can we do this? I want to see if we can do that. So it's called x.0grad. Can we do that? I'm going to type it out though. 0_grad like that. Can we do that? Is that something we can do, or is that not going to work? I'm curious about that. Will it work? Okay, so it doesn't like that. It does not. Can we do, because it's not part of a model maybe, or something like that? We're learning more. Can I make a Roblox script too? Lua. Yeah, Lua. It's in Lua. Gradient matrix multiplication. Basically, that's it. You got it. I know maths. I have no idea about coding in AI. Don't worry, it's actually not that far off. If you've got the math foundation, you can do the coding part too. I think we should learn everything about AI. It's boost our speed 10x learning from a book or internet old days. Yeah, so I learned the hard way. I learned with books and with reading text and then trial and error. Obviously, that is a really helpful way to learn because you figure out what doesn't work and it gives you the idea and understanding about how to go forward with that foundation knowledge. It's really great. I think it's pretty powerful. What you don't get from just getting straight to the answer is all that failure. And that failure is really powerful because it really teaches you a lot. Fan page, thanks a lot. Thank you. All right, you guys, let's keep going. All right, so this doesn't work. This does. So this is what we're doing. We're stretching it out. We're finding the problems. We're seeing what doesn't work and what does work. All right, so let's go back over here. With no grad, okay, requires gradient. What does this mean? We can turn off tracking like so. Operations under no grad won't build a graph. Okay, so if we reassign y and then print y requires, okay, and then we try to do this, build a new tracked graph to show backwards still works. Because we're outside of it? This is weird. I don't get this. All right, let's try this. All right. Let's go back over here. All right, so we say with torch.noGrad. Did we do that right? Yes. Okay. And then we say y equals, we'll just do the same thing again. We'll say x times 2, or x to the power of 2. And then run it again. Sounds good. Looks good. Okay. And then we y.requires grad. Okay. Let's see. Print y.requires grad. What does that mean? Is that going to be true? Did I type it right? I didn't. R-E-Q-U-I. Spell it correctly, you guys. Guys, it doesn't require grad. Okay. Hey, what are we doing? Hey, how's it going there? Poor Nima. Poor Nima, welcome on in. Good to have you here. We are building Pytorch today. We're learning matrix multiplications and various array manipulation functions that you get with Pytorch. Neva set this up for us. Hey, Neva, so I wanted to avoid throwing errors. Grad still works because y had a value before it. Ah, gotcha. Okay. Okay, understood. That's actually perfectly fine. If in this situation you call y dot backward, it would throw. Yep, it sure would. Since we later do yx, it still works. Got it. Adam, thank you, Neva. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Where are you from? Hey, I'm from Seattle, Washington, United States, you guys. I'm in Seattle, Washington, United States. It's good to have you here. Happy Monday. So Adam and SGD are very good versatile optimizers. They are pretty good. I do SGD myself. Usually I go towards SGD. I think it's general purpose. It's not the fastest, but it still works. It still works perfectly fine. All right, we got 14 minutes, you guys. Let's see what else we can do here. Print that. Okay, so we did that. What else we got? All right, y dot backward. All right, so this is, if we tried y dot backward now, it would fail. So let's try that really quick. Y dot backward. There we go. And then Neva said we should see an error. Are we going to see an error, you guys? And we do. We see an error. Perfect. And then if we do y equals x, then we won't see the error. Okay. There we go. Nice. Very nice. You wrote your own AI from scratch. Nice. Hey, very nice. It's 565,000 if statements. Essentially, that's what AI is like a giant array, a massive array of if statements. That's basically what AI is. It's a massive, ginormous array of if statements. That's exactly what AI is, yeah. The optimizer is also dependent on the data set and classification. Yes, you got it. It sure does. Do you go live every day? Yes, poor Nima, I do. I'd love to watch what you're doing and learn something new. Let's learn together. Let's learn together. This is great. I've done a lot of Pytorch. I've done a lot of AI from scratch. We've done a lot of things over the past. In the future, I'm very looking forward to getting more expertise with Pytorch. So that's what we're learning today. Seattle from Mountain View area. Are you from Mountain View area? The Seattle area. Mountain View. Well, so Bellevue. We could also say Bellevue. I went to Bellevue High School many years ago. Do you? That's the idea. All right. So you guys here. Let's keep going. All right, so let's keep going here. Higher order grads. Yes. Okay. Let's try this. X2. Okay. Y2. Torch Autograd. Create graphs. True. Get the 0. Grad 1 and grad 2. Ooh. Interesting. All right. So I don't know what this is really. I know a smidgen about it. Do you do a new Neuro Sama? I watch out all streams. Hey Stangy, thank you for chatting there. That sounds like really neat. I don't know what that is. What is that? I don't go for that fancy pantsy switch statements. You're hardcore. Yeah, very nice. Starts a series on coding math series for beginners. So what say you? We could. I want to though. We'll think about it. Maybe we'll think about it. All right, let's keep going. Let's do a few more things, and we'll jump into the memes, and we got to get going. The AI VTuber. You could be staying. We could go AI VTubing. VTubing is fine if you want to do VTubing. VTubing is perfectly fine. Nothing wrong with VTubing, you guys. All right, let's check this out. So we are going to create an X2, another torch. Okay, we can do that. All right, let's do test 2. Let's close this. We'll do by test 2. Test2.py. All right, and we'll say Python test 2. Okay. W, save it, rerun it. No errors, perfectly fine. Import torch. All right, x2 equals. Actually, let's keep it just at x. And then we go to create a tensor. Torch.tensor 2 requires grad equals true. Okay, did we do that right? Yep. And then we create a y2 equals, same thing as before, basically. Same thing as before. You don't understand any of this? I only know a bit of JavaScript. Hey, JavaScript is great too. Self-taught. Hash sling. You know what? That's right. That's the way to do it. You're on the right track. Self-learning. Autodactism. It's a real word. You see that? Autodactism. Right there. Autodact. You guys, it's real. Zero grad is used to clear the gradient as they accumulate it by default in Pytorch. I got it. Yeah, you got to use that zero grad every now and then to zero out the gradients. It's why I skipped the AI thing. Learning programming and math is long. It is long, isn't it? Isn't math long? It sure is. Watch her. She imitates a human. You got to be careful. Oh, I saw. I'm saying I saw. It showed up there for a second, and then it got deleted. Oh, it got moderated. Hey, Yasil. Hey, Yasil, welcome on in. Good to see you. Happy Monday. All right, let's keep going here. Let's see. We're going to be, okay, so X, and then let's multiply it by 3, so that way we get something similar. Okay. And then we get this torch autograd grad. Okay, so G1 equals torch autograd dot grad. Let me say X. Was it X? And, wait, so there's multiple? Oh, X, Y, and then extra stuff. Create graph true. Okay. Let's try that. Create graph equals true. What is this going to do? What is that going to do? Let's print G1. I'm actually kind of curious about that. Also, let's print G1 and put the 0 here. Okay. Okay, so what happened? Why is that no happy? Where did it fail? Where did it fail? Okay. Okay. Hey, Steven. I'm a civil engineer. If I want to learn AI, where would I begin? Any suggestions? King, you want to start with understanding what's possible. My favorite is here. So this is my favorite getting started guide. Get Python installed, get Keras and TensorFlow installed, and then go through this quick little computer vision tutorial. Look how short it is right here. It's a good entry point. It's a really good entry point. I'll put it here on our Discord server. Just for you, King. I'll put it here on our Discord server. I'll give it a link under the links share section. We'll put it right here. Here you go. On the Discord server, right there. Right there. Aurora Poly. Wow, cool. Hey, wow, cool. Is someone saying I am imitating a human? Is it because I like math? AI doesn't like math. Guys, they're not good at it. That's right. AI is terrible at math. That's a good point. The existing large language models, they are not very good at math. That's a really good test. Unless they use something like a tool like Python or something. Like a tool like Python. All right, you guys, we got 7 minutes left. Let's see. Let's go through this last little bit here. We'll do some memes, and then I got to get going. It's so good to have you guys here. I had a lot of fun today. We did some more Pytorch. We'll live again tomorrow. We'll be doing more Pytorch tomorrow as well. So we're not done yet. We're not done yet. But we are very soon here. Very soon. All right, so where did the error at? Why does it... Is that a problem? Can I not print it? Is this doesn't like the print? No, it doesn't like this. All right, what did I do that's wrong here? So requires grad. Did I type that right? Let's comment that out real quick. Is that good? That's fine. Okay, so this is where it's problem. Torch autograd grad. Torch autograd grad. Here, I'm just gonna copy and paste this. Let's look at it back and forth. All right, so what did I get wrong? G1 torch autograd grad. Oh, I put it in the wrong order. So it wants Y first. YX. Let's try that. Hey, all right. There we go. Things are happening now. All right. So these are the same as far as I can tell. Although this one is a tuple. Oh, look at that. Okay, got it. All right. Thank you, awesome channel. Oh, thank you. You guys are great. Chat, you guys are fantastic. Chat, you're the whole reason why I'm here. It is. You guys make me feel good. I hope I'm able to impart any of knowledge. And then also, you've got Neva in the channel, who is very, very, very smart. And they got a lot better, like GPT 5.2 is better than me. And most math disciplines, is it? Like at least in the knowing of Thermos. Is it? Whoa. You want malware? Hey, love, how's it going? Good to see you. I would sprout nonsense randomly if you ask to try to print. That's one way to do it. What's the Discord? All right. So the Discord, I'll give you guys the link to the Discord, you guys. 1 second. Here's the link share. We'll copy the button. There is the Here's the Discord. There you go. There's the Discord, you guys. That's where we put all of our stuff. We chat offline and we talk about tech. That's where we do that. Does it have vanity? Wait, what is that? I don't know what that is. What do you mean? What do you mean does it have vanity? It's so good to have you guys. Or get vectors and stuff. Yeah, get the vectors. Hey, Prashant, good to see you. Hey, how's it going? Yes, there are. Same. The reason you use create graph true is it lets you actually take gradient of the gradient. Gradient of the gradient? Wait, are you talking about a chain of gradients? Is that what you're describing? So you can have I wonder, can you do more than one? Can you do like Z? Can we do Z here? Z, Y. Can we do that? What if we did this? Z comma. Will that work? Is that going to work? Oh, it does. Look at that. Oh, Neva. Okay. We're starting to learn more things there based on your text that you just described. We figured a few more things out. We're learning a bit more there. Very nice. Oh, we got 4 minutes left, you guys. We got 4 minutes. Neva, nice. Yes. Oh, we're doing it. We're doing it, you guys. This is fantastic. Pytorch again. Let's go. Hey, Gun Highs. Good to see it. We only have 4 minutes and I have to go. I have a meeting coming up here. So let's get over to the memes real quick. We got 4 minutes for the memes. 4 minutes for the memes and we got to get going. Oh, wait. This is the memes for today. Where? This one right here. Okay. Oh, we already did this. We did this already. Oh, wait. Did we? No, we didn't do this. Okay. No, you already prepared it. Okay, you already prepared it. Got it. I forgot about that. When you format the new SSD and it only gives you 0.73 terabytes and you're like, hold on a second. I've got a terabyte hard drive. I've got a terabyte hard drive. What are you doing there? What are you doing? So the reason you would ever want to do higher order derivatives is some cost functions are relative to some derivatives of things. Like the physics, you would do stuff, the Lagrangian? What is that? Lagrangian. I don't know what is a Lagrangian? And it's defined as a gradient. Okay. All right. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out eventually. The more you know. Neva is teaching us a lot, you guys. Neva is fantastic. This guy looks like AI. Am I AI? Am I? Hey, Prashant, thanks for saying hi. All right. We might not finish all the memes. All right. Graphics inflation. 720p today. 720p when I was a kid. Oh, right. Didn't remember. Well, for me, it was like 480i. It might have been before that. I think 480i was what it was like very low resolution. But for me, the resolution looked bright and crisp. It looks so bright and crisp. SR alarm. Hi, bro. How's it going? We're only here for 2 more minutes. We got to get going. And then you see what real resolution looks like, and you realize, yeah, you're figuring it out. Haha, that's real. It is. It's so real. E2K, Kyog, good to see you. Welcome on a binary search in my life. Why can't I binary search in my life? Your life isn't sorted. Oh, binary search joke. You can't do a binary search unless the set is sorted. You got to have a sorted set, you guys, or it won't work. I came late. Yeah, you did. You're late because we are only a minute away. We got a minute and we got to get going. Are you a family from Youngblood? What is this? I don't know what that is. I don't know what you mean. Is that a slang? Is that a youth slang? I'm old. I'm really old, you guys. I'm in my 40s. You guys. I'm super old. I don't know what you say. I know what you're saying. Look at all this junk. Every programmer, when you open up his own 2-month-old code, you're like, look at the... that's happened a few times to me. Although sometimes when you do open code and it's like clean and concise and well written and compact and easy to understand, then you can appreciate it. Yeah, you can appreciate it and don't over abstract. Don't go beyond and build a beautiful abstraction that is so organized and modular that it completely destroys the whole point of programming. You got to be careful. You guys got to be careful. What the live time? Around 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. So it's random. So I do got to get going. You guys have to go. It was a lot of fun. We didn't finish the memes. We have more memes for tomorrow. We got more memes for tomorrow. It's good to see you guys. I have to get going. I got to go now, you guys. I had a lot of fun. We did some Pytorch. We'll be continuing Pytorch tomorrow. Have neat code. You got it. Got to go, guys. Bye, bro. Thank you, RUX1000. Thank you, Neva. Good to see you, Prashant. How's it going, you guys? Good to see you. Bye. See you guys. See you tomorrow. Enjoy your day. Have a good one. We're headed out now. Thank you for joining, everybody. Thank you for the hearts reactions. Been a pleasure, Stephen, with the great success today. It was a good success. We're learning new things. We're learning things. Always a good day. Always a good day. Thank you for the hearts and reactions, you guys. We're headed out. See you tomorrow, everybody.